Hi, my name is Pritesh Anand and I'm currently pursuing Masters in Public Policy at Kautilya School of Public Policy. I have 6.5 years of work experience in education sector. I've worked in fields like program design, program management, fields like teaching, curriculum design, and also leadership development. The reason why I chose Kautilya was because so far in the last 6.5 years, I have worked at the grassroots towards excellent education for especially children from underprivileged and marginalized background. But now I really want to zoom out and look at education from a public policy creation and public policy implementation standpoint. And that's where this program really fits me. I also want to explore governance and political consultancy because I feel that for something like education where we need transformational change, governance is very critical because it establishes access, the way of working, how resources will be mobilized, and how we can have skilled teachers and trainers in the field to actually implement the program. At the same time, it also requires a political will, right? An intentionality to transform education in this country. Finally, I want to finish 2 years with a complete mindset shift about what it takes to create a transformational change in the society. And hence, I want to pursue a program, and hence I want to pursue something that brings governance, social impact, and political consultancy together.